Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in today's video we will talk about the relationship between index notation or the powers and the roots. So this is very interesting, as you all might know that in mathematics every operation is having a reverse operation. Like addition is having a reverse operation of minus, subtraction is reverse operation of addition. Similarly, multiplication is reverse operation of division, or division is reverse operation of multiplication. So same is the case with powers and roots. So when you take power of any constant or variable or unit, so that is to reverse that operation you have to take root. So they are, what is the relation between them? They are reverse operations. So let me take an example. For example, that we have x raised to power cube with us, and to get rid of this cube, what can I do? For example, I know that x cube is equal to, let's say, 8. So from this equation I need to find out value of x. But what should I do? Because x is not with power 1, but x is with power 3. So to get rid of this power of 3, I need to take a root on both sides. Which root I will take? I will take cube root, so that this cube root can be cancelled with the power of 3. So now these both will be cancelled. Answer will be x. And to solve this part, what we need to do, we'll write down 8 in form of index notation. So we all know that 8 is basically cube number of 2. So now I can get rid of this cube with cube root. So x is equal to 2. This becomes the answer. So let's go other way around. So like, for example, if we know that any number is given, for example 216, and we know that we need to take cube root of this number. So at this level right now, for D1 series, we will only talk about square root and cube root. So that's why we will only talk about square numbers and cube numbers. But this is a very generic concept of mathematics. Like any powers and roots can be solved together. Like if x is having power of 9, this is very interesting. So if x is power of 9, so to get rid of this 9, I need to take 9 root. So they will be cancelled because they are reverse of each other. So it's not like only cube root and cube numbers are reverse of each other, or square root and square numbers are reverse of each other, but any power. That's why in the topic I have written that powers and roots are having reverse operation. They are reverse operation of each other. So it is true for every power or every root. So let's solve this 216 cube root. So to solve it, I need to figure out 216. First I need to write down 216 in form of a cube number. So for that, for example, if I don't recall, so I can always do prime factorization. So 216 is divisible by 2. So if I divide it, I will get 108. So I will keep dividing with 2 until it is possible. 54. I can still divide with 2. So it's 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 27 is now not divisible by 2 anymore. So I can divide it with 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s. So if I can write this in form of index notation, I can say 2 cube because these are 3 2's and 3 3's. So I can write down 2 cube multiplied by 3 cube. So now at this point I can solve it because this cube root can be cancelled by the cube numbers. So my answer would be 2 multiplied by 3. So 6 is the answer. So anyhow, the cube number of 6 is also 216. So we will solve these kind of square roots and cube roots from the exercise questions in the next video. So please practice this concept with more examples so that you are familiar with this. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.